Hey y'all, it's John here, back again with another form of visual art. If you're new here, you're most welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for returning. And if you subscribe, you watch all my videos. Today, I'll be taking you through my African style sketchbook. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how to make such a design the simplest way possible. These are designs that you may have seen on the streets before, but I'm sure that most of these designs and prints you'll be seeing them for the very first time. So I hope you can really watch this video until the end of it and show some love. This is my sketchbook, and everything that you'll be seeing today all began from this book. I made this book for my classwork, and I believe by looking at the cover alone you can tell that my main source of inspiration was or is African prints. So I will take you through this book, and you see several other designs that I made like this. And I hope you watch this video until the end of it so that you can see how I make such a design. So you've just seen some of my designs, and now allow me show you how to make such a design the simplest way possible. And always remember, when you want to start something like this, you need to follow a procedure. And first thing, you need to gather your materials. You will need a sketchbook like this. You will need a tracing paper, one can do. You will need a pencil or pencils. You will need a small painting brush. You will need a pair of scissors. You will need wood glue. You can use any other glue as long as it helps you. And finally, you will need offcuts of clothing like this. So these are the materials I got. You can just choose one. Let's use this one because it has this pattern that I like. Once you have all your materials in front of you, you just need to pop in and start. First thing you need to do is to develop and sketch a design in your sketchbook. Second, trace the design onto the tracing paper. Third, cut out the design from the tracing paper. Fourth, trace the cutout onto a flat fabric that you chose. Make sure that it's ironed and flat. Fifth, carefully cut the fabric along the traced line. Sixth, carefully glue that fabric onto the source design that you made in your sketchbook, and your design will be out. So I hope you guys stay and watch this. So let us start right away by sketching any design that is in our mind onto this sketchbook. Once your sketch is done, you get your tracing paper, trace out on the areas where the dress is. Next thing you need to do is get your pair of scissors and cut out the design from the tracing paper. The next thing we need to do is get our fabric. Make sure it's straight. Trace this out on the fabric and then cut it. So now, as you can see, we've cut out our fabric carefully, and the next thing that we need to do is definitely the last thing, which is to glue this on this. And for that we need wood glue or any other glue that you're using. It can be stick glue, as I said, and a painting brush. Now here there are two ways of doing this. You can either apply your glue direct on the sketch, then you just land your fabric onto it, or you can apply it on the fabric and land it there, but I think it's better to like apply it straight or direct onto your work. Yes, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. It's for free. It's for free. So subscribe for more and do not forget to share. See you in my next video. Ciao.